Tim and Jarek's 78 Seville. I've been working on this car for a very long time. I actually worked on this car when the previous owner had it as well. And actually, Tim and Jarek are looking to sell. So if anyone is interested in a 78 Seville, well taken care of, send me a message. Let me know. Actually do have a couple buyers on the line. But this car, it was here. They were out of town all summer. Came over last week. Went to take care of it, get it set up, get it ready to go so they could at least drive it, and we could start offering it for sale. And get it running, check the battery, check the fluids, everything's great. Fire it up, so back it out here, pedal right to the floor. Ooh, spongy, spongy, spongy. And I know all the brake fluid and everything was solid and perfect when they left for the summer, because I checked everything before we let her sit all summer. So, long story short, I'll show you what happened, just as I suspected too. So I've already went in this morning and taken the master cylinder off, because the other day when I checked everything, the rearward bowl, which runs the front brakes, was empty in the master. So like, that's weird, because that was full. Sure as hell, the seal in the master went out while it was sitting here over the summer, and it all dumped into the booster, and of course it killed the diaphragm. Yay! So anyway, I'm in the process of changing the booster, but this beautiful 78 Seville, fuel injected 78 Seville, will be up for sale. So please send me some offers. Let me know if anybody's interested. Like I said, I do have a couple local buyers that are sort of interested. So let us see. Alright. Just as we suspected, off to Advantage West with you.